All right, it says we are live. Look.
Oh, I have something.
Now we just gotta wait.
Was anyone is in there?
Nobody's in here yet because there's nobody.
A bit.
No, what's that?
Loading.
Streaming is good.
Average.
Oh, there we go.
Zhiyun? Oh, I remember him. This is the one I asked if he's a woman. Because
Well, this guy's got a picture of a guy.
Hey Jen, what's up?
Have no fear, the moss is here. The moose is here.
Randy Moss.
Randy the moose.
Randy the Moss.
The moose. You know what a moose is?
Yeah, it's ano. They have a like.
Yeah.
No,
Morning, Roger.
Rose.
Hi, Bruce.
Yeah.
Her husband. I'm your husband.
Are you?
Yeah. Uh-oh. You both are so awesome from Michigan. Hello, Pamela.
Hello, Michigan.
Morning, Pedro.
More
Mr.
Williams.
Ogre D. Williams. Yeah. Some of the names are just hard to pronounce.
Hi, Mr. Williams. Philippine Travel.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Bernish
Buenos
Diaz.
Dias from Miami,
Diaz
Florida.
from Miami, Florida.
Buenos Dias. Hello, George Mesa.
Randy Edwards, good morning from Canada. Good morning from India. Indiana. I can't read sometimes.
Oh, this must my friend lives. Indiana. George.
Hello, Australia.
Pitchburg. Hello from Pitchburg, Mr. Josh Ballersnet. Nets.
No, Wally, you have not missed anything. We just came on.
Si Wally Crow. Wally. Good morning, Mr. Wally. Brian, Lot, Liberty, and Justice. Where's my Oh, Liberty sleeping.
Mahal kata, sobra.
Wow.
Wow.
Mahal kita sobra.
Morning, Kevin. North Dakota.
Ravi na nga. I'm Indian. I want come to visit your place. You're very welcome, Mr. Ravi Nangal.
Jay White, good morning. How is HG in school? Hannah Grace is doing good in school. She has a quiz today in spelling Tagalog.
Yeah.
What they do is they'll say the word either in Tagalog or they'll say it in English, and then the child has to do the opposite of do the opposite. In other words, do the spelling of either the word in Tagalog or English. So she is doing good. Will the walks resume? The walks will start resuming once it gets a little cooler out. I mean, it's still humid. Today's kind of overcast, but the sun's not out, so it's not bad. But yeah, we'll get some more walks in.
Nicholas Coster. Good morning, Mr. Nicholas.
You know what, Bruce? Good question, and I was thinking the same thing. Will it cost me more to ship it back to the States and what it's worth? That's the thing I'm going to check into, and if it's going to cost the same or a few dollars less than what it's worth, I'll just keep it here, try to sell it here, give it to one of the body shops or something, and I guess take the loss again. But yeah, I'm thinking the same thing. I'm not going to ship it, FedEx or any of those big companies. If I ship it, I'm going to ship it through the Postal Service here. And from what I'm told, even the Postal Service, which was always cheaper to ship boxes than like FedEx or what's the other one here? Anyways, I was told the Postal Service is starting to charge a lot more also to ship out of here. So we'll see. We'll see how it works out. Thank you, George, for watching the videos from San Antonio, Texas. Paul and Katy, Texas, with anglers when I was 30 minutes in. I think private school is better in the Philippines. Wait, I think private school in the Philippines is better than the education in Boise, Idaho. I don't know. I don't know what the education is like in Boise, Idaho. You know, private school here is good. Some of them are a lot better than others, but you're going to pay a lot more for a, you know, international private school. Now, I was told there's a school up here on Clark that you send your kids to, and they actually get a high school diploma from the States. Whether that means something or not, I don't know, but I was told there's a school, and it's a private school, and you get the high school diploma from the States. I was also told the school is very expensive. So, how was the bullying in the Philippines? How's the bullying? Well, in a private school, I know what a private school is like. Yeah. You know about bullying.
Yeah,
like they have roles in the school.
Yeah, in where it's true right now, they have roles. They have something. They have.
Yeah.
They have some words that they are not allowed. They have a lot of words are not allowed, and what is allowed of only. So, I know that in public, there's a lot of bullying over there. I've been in school and I study in public, so I know what's going on. But as I said, it's just depend. I already encountered a lot of bullying when I was a kid, but I don't mind about it. My life is not gonna be changed because somebody told me like this. I don't care anyway.
Nobody's gonna run into the school and shoot it up.
No. So feel over. Hello from Toronto, Canada. Hello, Canada. Michael McFarland. Oh, hello from Lady. Hello, Lady. That's one of the places I like to visit. Toys, Lady. Brian Hatcher. Love your videos, but notice you have some haters who love to bash other subscribers. Very childish. Yeah, that's welcome to the social media. That's what it calls Brian.
What's that?
He said, Brian Hatcher said, love your videos, but notice you have some haters who loves to bash other subscribers. Very childish.
Yeah.
I said, welcome to the social media.
Yeah, that's why, you know what? Like I said, I read every message that's put up, and you know what, that's one of the reasons I read through them, because some things I won't put up with, like you start bashing kids and our daughter and things like that. I'm going to remove your comment, and if you do it again, I'm just going to remove you. But yeah, I mean, I don't put up with that. I don't put up with people trashing other people in the comments and things like that. You can say I'm ugly all you want, I got a big nose, I shouldn't wear my hat backwards because that's one. You can say whatever you want. It doesn't bother me. It's just name calling. You said it's childish.
Jimmy Dory. Do you keep your eye?
Do you keep an eye on expiration dates on your products? I mean, I never see nothing sell. Jimmy, you know what? There is expiration dates, and we do sell stuff. We rotate the things that buys that's been sitting on the shelves. We rotate to the front. But I mean, the expiration dates on these,
next year,
or like next year, like way into next year. And you know what? We do sell things. Matter of fact, another week she's going shopping again. Oh yeah, we sell things. Some things
but
move.
Most also, I don't sell expired product.
Yeah.
I keep it, throw it in the trash, or pay by our own money.
And here's the thing: some things sell quicker than other things, like any other store, no matter where you're at in the world. And then other things just move like super quick.
Ooh, Wally Krill. What happened to Sheila? You haven't seen her for a while.
Oh.
Well, Sheila's fine. She's okay, right? She was busy also, right? At this up. She was busy because, you know, she got two sons and they goes to school too. So she was doing something in school.
More moto vlogs. Yeah, matter of fact, I got to take the bike up for an oil change, so when I go do that, I'll do a moto vlog on that. Joseph's in the house.
Hello, Joseph. My life met in Manila. Yeah, Joseph is a kind of popular over here, you know. While we sit outside, remember that guy? Pao?
Huh?
Remember that guy?
What guy?
The guy who was talking to you outside.
Yeah.
Yeah, he knows Joseph.
Oh, yeah,
You
yeah.
remember him?
Yeah, a kid came by and he was on a motorbike, and he seen me vlog, and then he recognized me, and then he asked about you, Joseph. He said he actually rode with you. So yeah, it was a coincidence. If you ever go back to the U.S. due to requirements, and I'm married to a Filipino, and we got married in the Philippines, you plan on living in the Philippines, what visa do you have to live there? Christopher, I have a 13A visa, permanent resident visa. And I started that, 2 years ago. I did the first year probation, and then I just finished up the second year, and I'm just waiting for my iCard and the stamp in my passport. It should be here within the next week or so. But that's what I'm here on, a 13A.
Matthew.
I'm in Angeli's 226. T-Chow, you can come to the store. Sorry store. Send me a message when you get here, or you get closer to getting here, through my Facebook channel, my Facebook page, Philly in the Philippines.
Harry Agapito, my daughter Gabby is a fan from Newbury Park, California.
California.
Hello, California. That's awesome.
Aloha. Aloha. From Hawaii.
Yeah, he said Kevin Rivland.
626. Yeah, June 26th. T-Chow will be here.
Kevin Rivers said something.
Huh?
If I can get this one there.
If I can get Andrew to send you a care package like American candy for you to sell, can you? He wants to know if you sell. If he sends us a care package, American candy to sell here, would we sell it?
I'm not sure. Actually, let's be. I was so honest from that one. So, there's one of his subscribers come here and give us candy, and then I just give it to the kids.
Yeah. Is it worth having a business give you something to do, or is it more time than planned? You know what, Joseph? Is it worth having a business? I guess it depends on the business. You know, like our store, we don't make a ton of money. It keeps us busy, gives us something to do. Like I said, from day one, if we're homebodies, we'd either be sitting in the apartment right now doing nothing, or doing this, doing that. Plus, you know what, we always said too, the fact that we're doing something like this helps out the community. It all depends on the business, you know. Depends on location, that's another thing. But like I said, it depends on the business. I know what you have in mind, and I think that'll work out.
Si Jemmy Dory, have you met Steve Montelli? Yes, we met Steve. Actually, we have been swimming.
Yeah.
I forgot what day is it. Teachow, I really like the video of you just walking around and commenting on things. Astrin since Pinatubo and I left.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it is. Right now they're more like kind of bigger, more population, more pollution. Oh, look who's in my lap. Say good morning. Say good morning, love. Good morning, love. Look.
Hey Paul, how you guys doing?
Good morning, love. Say hello. Ay, my Kari.
I heard.
Do you wanna sleep? Oh, do you wanna sleep, love?
Hi guys. So when is the next tattoo? I don't know. Actually, I'm waiting for Sheila's sister.
Yeah.
Sheila's sister is in OFW.
She was in Italy right now.
She's in Italy, and she's a tattoo person. That's what she does here, right? Or does she
Yeah.
do that on the side?
No, she do that on the side.
She does it on the side. So I'm waiting for her to come back. She's supposed to be coming back, what, this month or next month?
This year?
Sometime this year. So when she gets back, I'm going to set something up with her.
Henry Agapito, I heard Banco de Oro will offering money remittance for families of OFW. They will be utilizing sari-sari store. Actually, all banks was offered that. I think BPI too offered that. I just forgot what kind of what they called on it, but they have that.
Yeah.
Kevin River. How about the taste? Can they see what people there think what they think of American candy? Take video and post it. How about a taste candy? What's taste
Test candy. Like he wants you to get like American candy and have
Oh,
the kids
yeah,
test it.
yeah.
Yeah, I mean, that's one of the things here. Like, Filipinos have their own candy here. Not that they don't like American candies and sweets and stuff, but the average Filipino, especially where we live here, you know, they have their certain candies that they eat and that they like and that they just kind of stick with. Like, here's another thing I've noticed. Like, peanut butter candy here is not big. Like, you don't see... I mean, of course they sell Reese's peanut butter cups and things like that in some of your, like, 7-Elevens and all that. But, like, candy, just peso candy, it's not peanut butter. There's no peanut butter and chocolate type candies here. Like I said, unless you go to 7-Eleven. And peanut butter and chocolate, man, I love peanut butter and chocolate.
Singing Sheila. I nearly missed the show. I was busy editing video. Oh, good luck on it, Sheila. I keep I keep seeing your video. You have very nice voice. This is also have a nice
Is that
voice.
Sheila, the one
Yeah.
who's husband?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah. An ice machine? No, we've never thought of investing in an ice machine. Usually, the guys that do like ice, like the big bags of ice cubes, they like the big huge bags of ice cubes. Those guys, that's their business, and they just sell to like hotels, restaurants, and things like that. Here, people just buy the little block of ice that you freeze. Plus, I think with running an ice machine all the time to keep ice, I think it would kill the electric bill, and I don't think the sales would be worth something like that. Hawaiian ice would be a big seller. Well, I guess Hawaiian ice is sort of like halo. Like Hawaiian ice, I'm not sure what Hawaiian ice, but Italian ice is just ice shavings with flavor on it. Here they just do halo.
Hello from Florida. Hello, Mr. David. Singing Sheila, okay. Haha, thank you, ate. Yes, it is me. See, I told you. The daughter is in love with the house owner of the house beside you, Kuya Brian. It's okay. It's no longer private.
No, because we found out through Chismas. We found out through the streets that it sold.
Yeah, I also talked to the new owner.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Words William, chubby caramel, my favorite. They have chubby here, but it's kind of milk.
Chubby milk.
Yeah,
Yeah.
kids will love it. Weather is. I'm coming on in July. If you need anything, can find it in Angeles. Just let me know.
Will do.
Yeah, will do. Badr SS.
George Buttersnitz. Brian, what do the Philippine people think of you always taking videos of them? You know what? 99% of them, they smile, they act up for the camera, they don't mind, they try to jump in front of the camera. Never have a problem with Filipino people. If they, a lot of them, depends, you know, you'll have some that'll kind of hide their face, but they'll peek over, you know, their hand and stuff. Never had a problem once with a Filipino saying anything. I have had problems with expats here, you know, saying things, you know. But hey, the thing is, as long as you're out in the public, you can film. There's no law that says you cannot film in public. Now, if you step into a private house or you step into a private establishment, they have the right then to tell you, you know, hey, no videoing or whatever. But if you go to like a park or you go to like an area where like Filipinos gather, water parks and stuff, malls, people are always filming, people are always taking selfies. So no, I've never had a problem with Filipino people, ever.
He said singing Sheila it's okay. Wait a minute, go down. He said, it's true, they are American too and they are caterer. I think they're gonna build a catering business and it's good for business going. Actually,
right.
Sheila, it's not.
Catering?
Yeah, because
Yeah.
I talked to her and she's not American. She's like Filipino person. And they told me after a year, they want to build like second story. I think they will use it for like, they make it like a house, their own house. I'm not sure. But that's what she told me. David, hello from Santa Barbara, California. Have you been to Mount Pinatubo? David, me and Ham we don't go to Mount Pinatubo yet, but we're planning to do that. I don't know if you can handle the hike. We don't have clue.
Fun Lover, you're talking about the Sunset Garden Hotel? It's not there no more. I mean, the building's there, but the hotel is closed. It's been closed now for over, coming up on 2 years. And I heard there was an issue with the owner raising the rent, and then the owner of the building and the property raising the rent, and he didn't want to pay. I don't know the whole entire story on it, but I like that place. We used to go up there for breakfast, and I like the place. Good food. They had a nice pool and everything there, but yeah, it's building's there, but it's closed. Hello, Tommy Tooms, New York City.
Hello, lot. Like the last video when you all went the post office made me laugh a lot. Yeah. Okay. The husband is American. Okay. Yeah, I just talked to the woman. So I think her husband's American. Cool.
Yeah. Yeah, well, 20 minutes I could handle something like that. I mean, I have bad knee and a bad ankle, but I think I could do like a 20-minute. I can't do like an hour or two hike up in the mountains real high up in there. Now, from my understanding, they take you so far back, and then from where you get back in there, then they drop you off, and I don't know, I guess they have a tour guide that goes up in there. But they actually have Angeles City has a holiday. They just started it last year, Mount Pinatubo Day.
Yeah, that's a Mount Pinatubo Day. Well, probably Mount Pinatubo is only 20 minutes hike according to the video. So, Brian can do that if that's 20 minutes.
Yeah, I could do something like that. But yeah, they just started a holiday last year, Mount Pinatubo Day.
Oh, si Kevin. Big Kevin.
Hey, Big Kev.
Liberty is a little cutie. Yeah, he's our cutie. He is the cutie picky.
Do we ever go to San Mateo? Mateo?
Where?
San Mateo? Mateo.
Oh, San Matthew. No, we don't go yet.
No, we didn't go. Is that a city, town or
Mhm.
something? No, we've never been there. You know what, Mike? If you left in 1990, a lot has changed. Matter of fact, we had subscribers that were here a couple weeks ago, and he wasn't stationed here, but he would do his R&R here, and he hadn't been back in years, and he came back and he was telling us that so much has changed since he was here. But yeah, they even renamed all the streets inside Clark. They're all new names. A lot of businesses going up. Major major construction going on. Ryan, have you tried to weed there? No, weed is illegal here. Not to say there isn't any here, but it is illegal here.
Oh, thank you. That's so fast. Bruce Sider, you're familiar with Central Park Tower Hotel? Yes, we are.
Central Park. I mean, I'm familiar with it.
Remember?
Yeah, and
Orlando?
we went to a birthday
Gimbal.
party up on the roof one time, and I've walked up there and filmed around up in there one time. But as far as like, what they offer and rates and all that, I have no idea. But I am familiar with it.
Richard Body, have you ever lived anywhere other than the
Angeles City.
Angeles area?
Yeah.
Yeah, he lives in Mindanao.
Mindanao.
Yeah.
Lives in
We live in Mindanao. Angelina Rice. I was in Angeles when Mount Pinatubo erupted. That was so scary. I'm sure Miss Angelina, that's so very scary because I look some of the documentary on it, and sometimes like that's very bad. I think who did the documentary on it? National Geographic. Yeah, they do that. It's very pretty neat. Like I really understand what's happening when typhoon and Mount Pinatubo explode, they collide. It's good. It's more like more history in my head. Ooh, I try to catch up all the comments and try to